is Fred. I'm forever a porcupine, always an Asante Kotoko supporter. Last year they brought flowers, we are bringing trees, and whatever I would have to do to ensure that House of Folk is defeated on Sunday, trust me, and that's why I have my cross in my pocket.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, Intino, and every year Yamo Bibia Kwaba, and Fambro Command 97.1, or Command Global Sports, and every year Sono Yatanasia, Yanso Yetumi, Eddie Bawa Kwamona, and Ajumadiano, Sonko, Pana, and Rada, a month for Etimisu, a Kruma, Papa, Chelsea, yeah, I'm fat, Koya Kukwasa, Koya Gagai, she shall know, oh, Nabasa, and Asham for the Yadi Bessa do. Kwaji omanuso tifie Real Madrid be se na kamiensa Chelsea timu baako na menim se akwa bi dia wafa Chelsea wan ayeye ana wafa me honzo ayeye na betena ka se Kai Havertz be se go na akwa na ya na ya zo edem mizu edem ma mente onka se ne ya mente nka ntino nso brepem be fa mo baako ma eje odu se guti Samson Bayern ma surprising results etena ho kopie mu wa Villarreal sene ka ba kwa ono so entimante enti na wi ba be di Champions League on komo na Ghana ni ababa wa baako free high jump na se say no oban Ghana ha ono kura the national record ban high jump na ababa wa na kasa eden sam ade atudwa se o hye supporter emmoa free aban ho emmoa free Ministry of Youth and Sports wo and the Ghana Athletics Association mo bia free omo ho emma ansha na obejai athletics ne ye ansha no obejai athletics ne san se emmo bia emfi bia bia anye den emma ase kromo ha no ministry no any National Sports Authority no mo keka on nya attention nyina akọ football no so Black Stars enti ababa wa ne nsama aka no ebeba na fi so no yetumi abewura mu na yedi hu nkomo. And so, but when we say Kwesiada, Ghana's version of El Clasico, Kropia, Kumasi, Asante Koroko, we be the Kasi Kunkunu. Everton FE, nothing so on a hat to folk. To me, Abo, Kumata na FNA, the NST, no, yes, Sports Authority in the Abase, ticketing 170 year, calling e-ticketing. The 2 ton online, no, so I was printed, now they are back gate. Now I say, ye kon e-ticket na oto wi akọ print sen biem ene aka mo amon print na ye meto gate sati ase obi aye ko e-ticket san to ade no online na san akọ print na sen ya ba eti na things e fi no anhwe na bibi anye kama eti e-ticket ho sensem enso ba be di na ya hwe preparation towards the game no enso no ho hat folk ye hwe nim se ne omba ko pie mu e wo Kumasi ana obetu afinkan ne na amakopie mu Kumasi na fe so mo de ahobọ a ewo no etimi e de aba nti ba be di sa nkomo no enso ewa ha akrobia asante enra Daniel ni chiremu kopa assignment ko wurawura mu kopa nsem ne ade baaye gbowura ono sese kata na no wurawura mu do a wurawura mu ne ade a waba e de amanane sem enso ebeba sanso na ni right and so ha ode efisem ni nyina ebetimi e de aba na akopie mu ewe kropon akuapema ya hei onim se interzonal sports competition no ekoso municipal sports competition no ekoso aye ni zone na nkra manza kan eneze bebia ekropon zone no team no eda no enrada nkofu bia koto ahye omuso ni ade a koto ahye omuso ebimu kwa akosese omuni ama ebimu kobo omo ni ade a nteni ama and for 14 time games no omatwam yebekọ na yakopɛ mu nkyeremu enso ewo eye dwumadie na ekoso ewo Kwapman Senior High School ewo ye interzonal sports competition a eno so etodwa ne no nipa bonefo bi mufi kurom a mufi akropon ha mufi ba bia kurom a no mufi akoto sha nkoda iso a makoje omo huni ama akobu obi no ne ade a ene omatwam ne ba kodi nkomo enso ewo ho na semba kumienu so etumi di account nti ene dwumadi e ba be di executive producer Yera Kofi Anson Bafo head of sports producer extraordinaire Nana Kofi Okorajman boy chidom sanso na DJ Ziggy Facebook YouTube okwa ebetwagu ewo hono ayo Command Radio 97.1 Command Radio 97.1 on Facebook and YouTube okwa na wa like page no ni bia na afin so wa share na fofo nya bia hwe na o comment bia wa ginchira wo elephant sama yeri atudwa no hono onso no watumi ede aguo na yakenkan ede amao sanso na ne no DJ Donzi na odamia yes Piero cheda anya na adwuma saa ne nam saa Piero be adwuma my ntenenka aje we saa Piero fo na minim no oji post na makwada sanso na Abigail enso ebo ya chido na bibia etimi akoso pa akosi pike ana afiso the boy omunya eta echi opesa ode waje ncheba ene no WhatsApp and I feel so SMS no ba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and your WhatsApp and I feel so text messages or the bar and so can e in the Europa League because of Barcelona ebebo into magin char beba in games no send ya hu ne fa classico heart ana korokone heart no send ya so o hwe nim se eno so bekwa fa ro agin che beba na afin so nkodai ade ya sia ni pa boni fa koto asha o so ani game no kra no ye twam no enso agin che bi ya so obetimi ade afa ho ade aba medin Kelvin Amponsa edi obetimi afrem AK ana ya wada ntene no AK na ana mikuram chine fie na je se boja ye de manyere AK nso afem na je se yakop Krobia Asante wa Krobia ma akwaba
ekege
Krobia Asante
bibia kama
a channel de fie no picture of the day beba fashion team tino ayo ye production na de account production na
ye bedo obo ade ase ye bedo nyame ase papa po boni o se ye mfa ase da ema no se wie wuye ni nyina na ode ase da ama ototoro bonsu because onu no nim de ye ano ye ema ne mba enti ye bedo na ase honam ne de Google kakra ne mum no still serving God and country ye beba ne abebu adwuma na bibia so no etumi aye kama na bibia so etumi aye fine e ho no mutieke nyoma mu da ho nsem no so doson has game no ene kotoko eke me da nte ho hwe minim se unse week an ye babe bo no aye se World Cup qualification ewoma na efe draw no sampai na chere se edidima draw ne ba wie na UEFA Champions League inti from ochina ko na ebia ye be start jan but I say me she dan hu we bia say what I say yes Yes, maybe we say a World Cup, especially in a take center stage of yes, in who the promotioner, of course, our has and Kotoko game, a big game. Yes, a big game, papa. And Penifubia Kasa, okay, Lampard will be to me, age money.
Lampard, baby.
Oh,
you're free.
Coach Lampard, Coach Lampard.
I'm afraid.
Everton, 8 games, oh, one want to me more draw cry.
Osho Lampard situation, I think, is everything for promo. Ekofano and Omukofa Lampard. So, baby, Ati, okay, catch it out. Said there be, and your players now are bano. And the brain behind, the catcher say, I saw about a person no median, no. Opa to ingredients via mano. Now, for recipe, no, then. A one cano, onimia, obet maki canning in album, name was a bad de or numino. And then they ask them no. And you know, Lampard situation, no, but I think say, and Tango Pim, you have weekend games, baby, you know. Lampard will call. Almost 5 years, you know.
Minimum situation because we Ancelotti, Rafa Benitez, and some Lampard, I think say, okay, minyan is a problem, no. A managers in Eban.
But because also to me fancy players, you know, because they have the players. All the Everton players, and I compare a certain teams are. Let's look at Southampton. Now you share Aston Villa. Players Everton Kurano. To me fan.
I know your team, okay.
Because Everton equal the likes of Iwobi, the likes of Diakori, Allen, Richarlison, Abrante, and Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Obe Echiro. Up front, almost our more skin. Echiro, almost Abrante, your friend say Kenny, and Abrante and Eddie Unipe, Yeremi Namo, Coleman Namo, until they have the players, you know, situation also no anchor players, you know. Problem no soon to me from players, you know. So I think say they have to restructure their technical team, their technical bench, you know.
Can you coach?
And say Pamela Lampard, I bet didn't say Lampard Benya team England. I tell you. I bet didn't so Benya.
Was says even
carrier no.
Was says even
Chelsea are Pamo. Everything sack. You know, I say sack. Everything sack you. So that's yeah.
Okay, well, primary, we are social kakra. Amnesty International, one wakasa. Say only mujuma one mudiwo. Nipa life muniade. Amnesty International. Yes.
Ghana for no.
Debi we international for nankasa. So what then? One makasa. One boleta. Tin they are come FIFA. Adenya. One say kwanga. Ene no kata for no efaso. Edin krofubi eye juma. Ahead of this World Cup stadium a womu sisi ya wodo kwan a womu di nipa bia fa so aye dwuma nipa na ketu amba. Secondly no womu ye dwuma mmoroso aye say womu use won say slaves bi womu ntia enye sa kwan enye intino akwai to say those migrants no any refugees ni ne ade na womu de wonye sa nkwase adwuma no say aha ne ye pese yesi stadium we ya what do one juru abu sika mba shemba it treatment a womu dem a womu nenye and womu so na ye body a womu protect this sexual right and reproductive right and migrant right and ade enti sa na ete dia womu de letter come FIFA on your investigation hwehwem
Amnesty International.
Yes.
Amnesty International for no to omo adwuma for to carry. You come krom dia.
Oh, okay, serious.
Me be say me hu say workers na the chok come Amnesty International. And almost on the account on the come FIFA na Amnesty for na
one na ye hwehwem.
Almost so
yes.
investigation.
So womu ye body a womu hwehwe sa nneom nim say even say wo a country like this me fan say Kropon na say ye wo refugees camper. Treatment e de be ma won kra no they are responsible for say wo mbehwe ni say
maybe na also you okay with the treatment eh.
Okay, womu okay.
Say na me bizarre omo na call report ma Amnesty International. And almost the account no mo de ko akodan FIFA. Say FIFA yan hwehwemu no FIFA metu ya nkrofo ne kana.
Okay.
Ana kata fo na metu ya kana.
Sisi a womu de akodan FIFA say FIFA ni yan hwehwemu. Say ewomu ampa say womu pe womu de womu aye.
You see.
Yes.
Yes. But when you go to Qatar and our population close to I think say 2.6 million. And when say migrants in the doorso. What you say?
Oh yeah,
especially the Egyptians and the doorso Qatar. And you know, they are how when the bedroom. And I call who say ko adwuma apis.
By ke when say
they be ade aka na say aketu ano emmaye. And you should know say me ba you should know say also here facilities na enu ya. Nti bia penentem work up no so no say draw. Yes. na denti bia ometua kata for ndia wo ometua
because what try wo hwemu a holidays kura wo ma wo bi ni
dabi okro bia wo ba holidays onipa ni here facility no
yes
and akwese okọ ba dey oba na etu aka etu aka just say you back from Eduada to Kwesiada obe ye ozi aneme bre etu aba ko Eduada to Kwesiada wi a na ma meet feel zoom out wona so be ba
wonim say Asia for no especially ye was our when say migrants are always be a treatment of modern
it's on record say California the treatment of them that's why some people cross sorry as and can ma FIFA mom hosti and see Korea about football now behind the scenes na ya game no doso game na your bow actually no doso say na ball field no so say California mo abuse ni pa na identity and can work up ni film sem in their name baby akosi achiri Amnesty International enkasa esanse amanfo de omo come over you sue nipa no any ade in Amnesty akokan I say kan yen some say California abuse nipa no say bi ni maybe be because of football I think say Giovanni Infantino any mbo ni monim nipa onimani so ni shakes ne betena say no ma din komo abisa and bibi omo ye bia no it's on record so kwa kofa na krata aba yeah employ nipa ebia 2000 and 5000 yes ye de ombe ye adwuma ampa out of 5000 ebia you 3000 ka and omo fully paid ebia 2000 aka ye tu half aka half mo ma ye ebia ya ne o ma ye hyehyɛ ebia bosome ba ko and ombe wo world cup ni be wie no kra na ebe de ebetu na aka no ebia nipa no so aye de agi atumu ntino sa na ya mani nyina no I think say FIFA for no obekɔ mu no mo ne sankrofo yi kata fo shakes ya tena se edin komo na nkrata semefa adwuma ne ho no any human resource no omotumi ehun e found you know Amnesty for no dey well ayoma said here yes on the other hand no also all right ayoma said here so mo bo nipa mo ban omo ka bi ma nipa mo so no eni akamafo ntino ni nyina so no eboa what you say daha ntino ni nyina eboa Amnesty for no so no mutumi wi a we go show Amnesty International Ghana omo so no adwuma e for no ometumi atu omuka ayi bosumi atwam ya na se nya ntumi report am on say omo de na wa no omo so no ometumi atu omuka 90 players nso e wo krom a ayi atu omuka ye some say nipa Amnesty for no anka omo nka bi omo hwe America obu wa adwuma America ko ntu anka omo so nka bi ma omo nipa da abonte ne ade Amnesty for nso nka bi na nye football so mutu wani sikata for so
FIFA president Gianni Infantino on any executives one more kasa say no 90 minutes no one more de be 100 minutes and raising sem ni ade fitin run opa yes one more de be 100 minutes and there e womu na womu gina so say one more de be 100 minutes na womu say players no say one more be pe kwan bia womu be fa so a sa delaying tactics no e be free game nim
but crop ya nura na me ne one senior most journalist said in con and Osane McCarthy I think say Meshana Mac Oze on a FIFA General Secretary interact here and what he said and you know correct
okay
FIFA and Kasa issue statement Eddie Abba as a and you know
because said their name namujimu
and you know correct ombe extended the 90 minutes Eddie call
yes
100 minutes I think say
want to omboasi because time no limited
yeah
into no decision be say no who be nya say ombe pe wombre okay Super Yango
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Conte. Kevin De Bruyne. Oh wow, that's brilliant. That is magnificent. Game changer. Points of world class difference. No one stops that. No one on the planet. Genius. Never mind Kevin De Bruyne. It's Heaven De Bruyne. The champions ease away. One quite beautiful.
Right, Okoma 97.1. Okoma Global Sports and a bread do say the creme de la creme tidbits around the world of sports. And so a bit to my dan it for any ashe for Edino. Eye Krobia Asante together with any Nana Kofi Okore Ajimai on any AK any the writer commentator woman so abo buansem so abo ne se bede se men kono kwanten kro na menfa amahudo so nsem no enso enfan bego ura production room wa we say zigibi any listo wo mo eboa ama footages ni nyina a ebetwegu e wo Command TV Facebook Command 97.1 sanso na YouTube no enso e your Command Radio 97.1 now so we to me adwene the reactions are e course over the week games are and also etumi etuto ja UEFA Champions League night onum say games do dona etumi e course na ye hwe endra games are and also etumi ekoto ja upiemu e was Stamford Bridge London say na results no ekowie Chelsea etina fi ama Real Madrid ebe ball me kamiensa ma wo mo etimu ba ko Kai Harvey and so etumi enya consolation out of these 3 goals Karim Mustafa Benzema and so etumi enya ne hat-trick on also at the ekoi e was game ni mu a bibibia and so etumi eye kama sanso ana Estadio de la Ceramica no and also Villarreal e ball e kane ba kwa ma Bayern Oko anase Bayern Munich etumi antimu bia Branto Shego no e Anut Danjuma the informed Anut Danjuma and also etumi enya go na or the Emma ene Villarreal a womo so eji womo ni e was Ceramica bibibia so no etumi ekoye and so e the Emma womo ne yehwe ene Real Madrid fans no o hwe after say Karim Mustafa Benzema and so etumi born hat-trick na they were na fans kakra bia wo mo bepie mu Stamford Bridge no o hwe the White Angels no said dia binum ayiyi wo mo ho na o hwe flags na eni nemu a na chese Chelsea so no etumi ediemia e wo Stamford Bridge no so ye papa endra England nyina no etumi edan butu ma won be say yes indeed they are the champions of the UEFA Champions League wo mo so ebo wo mo ho me na 13th times wo mo so etumi agisa trophy nti whenever ono be hie bia no wo mo so eluki favorite on paper wo mo so endra wo nya da emphatic victory over Chelsea defending champions no ama bibians no etumi ekoye ede ema wo mo ne yenhwe Villarreal bra wo mo so ehye ene no Bayern Munich no yenhwe the way the Zero Submariners no wo mo so celebrate that victory no enti after the blank of the whistle no ubehu said dia ene supporters no eji wo mo ne eche se Ceramica ho no baby bias no eye yellow utumu se endra Bayern Munich ye wo mo esiakan ewe ne arena ho wo mo etumi esiakan ewe Signal Iduna Park ehu supporters a wodona ba endra colors no ye wo mo so ediemia ho ye papa wo mo so etumi enya that defeat no ho a wo mo eba fia ba betwe se bibia enso ebetumi akoye ede ama wo mo na wo mo so etumi ahwe se wo betumi overturn the score line no in the second leg and also ebetumi akoso ewo Allianz Arena no na bibia no etumi akoye game ni ba na wiye no yenkone hwe the managers no and the players no wo mo reactions Carlo Ancelotti and so manager de Real Madrid or the ensem atuga se Karim Mustafa Benzema no complete player or ya Abrantie bia or ya lucky player sanso na o can say Abrantie no lucky player no Obekaya 2019 Obekai in the finals at Real Madrid and Liverpool boy Loris Karius unum so to ball e de ma Abrantie friend Mustafa Benzema ama okoshe o to ball the ball Mustafa Benzema 9 say onkoshe ni free sanso ana Obekaya wo mo ne Bayern Munich on rich wo mo player bi 2018 and also sa otubo editor ni free say and also Abrantie no embo enkoshe the last game obehwe ene wo mo ne Bayern Munich and I say wo mo ne Paris Saint-Germain and so e wo round of 16 no unim say Abrantie a ye friend no ene Donnarumma ono so eche go Benzema go free so Abrantie no so ehye am ono so ehye endrada Eduardo Mendy ye Abrantie no eche Benzema records no dey e ga no odin oh the records 5
occasions I'm say goalkeepers in Usuru no o she na boje say na
Ancelotti so lucky sani o manage reporter ni bizani sana say interviewing no bizani sa den na eba ne sa yes
Karim
I know say o lucky player
yes and onu say you know back to back hat-trick you know
yes
against Paris Saint-Germain mienza another wow team Chelsea na dem because ada ko baby brother na adam and you know Karim Benzema na Gaza no I think say he is one of the strikers ya underrate your match a top notch striker.
top notch
I think say no one year lucky say ni era no we see Messi and Ronaldo in the same league such as say La Liga no anka Abrantie ne dey in terms of goal scorer na and which one goals what nyina na just a world class fair adwin down team to be na me strikers ni bia anu Lukaku be chance bi o benya
Intino sana and Ancelotti and so Eka Edifa Benzema so a lucky player Nina Eka na Omunya da emphatic victory over Chelsea and Drada Enumre Zugi and a time when a time the coach Sinakano Unai Emery Wakasa Samson Bayern Munich Nagelsmann or also Eka say Nyoma Anko Yamfama Nemo no call Allianz Arena no mo to me akoto to Nyama Ziggy Yeshe all-time top scorers UEFA Champions League all-time top scorers no and also say Anna Nyoma and so Etie El Honoma the Elko Unimsa Abrante Freno Lionel Messi or no second to Abrante Freno and no Cristiano Ronaldo 140 goals and on so to me asha Eddie D'Souza Newman sono Elko El Hona player of the week to me by aka say netie Benzema El Ho Samson Kevin De Bruyne on also El Ho Manchester City Luis Diaz of Liverpool on also El Hona Giovanni Lo Celso of Villarreal on also El Ho aka we dey kwa maina we share modern players for we born over there.
Benzema and info.
Benzema, Kevin De Bruyne, Luis Diaz, and Giovanni Lo Celso.
So the Chelsea or Villarreal no.
Yes.
Okay. You know, say no. Me fa uba ze membo.
We are washa.
So we are hat-trick and Diaz no. Benzema. World class display. Cause which team no in the boy and it was against Chelsea. World class display. Zabrante no benya. No.
Ziggy Yanko share mufra no the I want so watch and Thursday night. UEFA Europa Conference League. Yanko share said
Europa League no. Conference League next season Man U Bobi no.
Oh yes. Next season the Man U Conference League. Into a basic primary for no cry SHS for nebeba say Champions League universities yes into no Ziggy fa yanko primary fu ni mu yanko share primary 1 primary 2 ni yanko share the okwase ne no Salem enso game no sene ya betumi akọ enwumrei e ho no mo de wani UEFA Conference League in the final etna in the Keep Deep Arena na wo mo so aton said their friends Slavia Praga na wo mo the game no etumi ahihye so Bodo Glimt any AS Roma sa game we no okay, Bodo Glimt in AS Roma. Group stage now we're the same group.
I don't know 4 you know.
4-6-1. First leg, one more share Mourinho. AS Roma 6-1. Second leg, one more by Stadio Olimpico. Ebebo 2-2. Into 8-3 on aggregate.
Send a senior man.
Anasisi awo masangaba.
2-2
yes, eti Bodo Glimt na Bodo na womoni AS Roma so no e di achisa so e King Power Stadium no Leicester City e we kami PSV Eindhoven na wom so e di game no achise so e ho was start Velodrome Olympique de Marseille and so any Pautel Saloniki and e di game no and so e achise so any games e be ko so e wo UEFA Europa Conference League and so games no e be ko so no yembra na yemhwe Europa League no say na fixtures no so e tie e ho RB Leipzig e tonsa e di afre Atlanta e Red Bull Arena referee obejirem no Michael Oliver the English international referee no ono na ne obejirem na wato ayram na bibias no etumi aye kama Estadio Municipal de Braga Sporting Braga and so any Rangers ana ebo Daniele Massa Italian referee and ono so ebejirem bibias no etumi aye kama Duce Bank Park Frankfurt and also no Eintracht Frankfurt any FC Barcelona and our modern game we know and so Erindam so referee obejirem no Zvedan Jonanovic ono Serbian international referee on also eka kwashena bi pians no etumi akoyie kama West Ham etna Olympic Stadium or London na womone ene Olympic Lyonnais and so etumi e dia wintam so Felix Zoa ono German international referee and on also eka kodisa game na bi pians no etumi aye kama na Xavi akasa entino Ziggy ubemanya hwe time Barcelona players no etachi base ewe ne Frankfurt na womo fro womo bus akopiem womo hotel na bibianso na etumi aye kama enti FC Barcelona etachi base players who offer young players very talented sharp players and N'Golo Kante Mathieu Kovacic smanya Debbie Pedri no machre and dra wo hwe na yehia Pedri yehia Frankie de Jong no a pass ball no the high intensity of play show resilience against this Barcelona and as a Madrid midfield way uhura pansamu Brady Yesu ni pediem ya inti Barcelona players no and Ebano Xavi so etumi akasa o se bibia fine ono de on personal glory bia o Barcelona o je trophy na o de be share players nsa woman na bo homodin because one more time no one so di glories e wo coaches bi nsa no Pep Guardiola no mo entene no enye personal glory no hwehwe ne mo players no ano ye adwumadi ama o and the Barcelona supporters nyina eno no nsem a eno so if Xavier Soya ono so e de e baye aha na ebrema kwan ne the tidbit around the world of sports no creme de la creme and so etumi esi edino e krobia asante eke
Krobia Sante ana wote ne nka no akyirima ene no la crème de la crème entino eno so eno no fisem beba na otwa branti abodwo hunyi a asemu entino eno so no right atena se eno so e de fisem beba na bibibia aye kama Ghana Premier League on sensembe Zuba bia kama
boss player nyame automaba so ho ye
krata ben
kate da you share be yes if you headquarters na ba ubie Matthew chapter 1 verse 2 I say Abraham was the father of Isaac was the father of Jacob was the father of Jude and his brother amen ti o share di susa
na o ka kusi sen
because this quotation ka
say kote o ka kusi sen
okay kusi sen o say eni di so no Abraham Ziba, who give Bible now? Matthew chapter 1 verse 2 now. When so okay say Abraham was the father of Isaac, no. Part say Abraham na papa de Isaac. What I say? And Isaac na papa son de Jacob. And na Jacob na papa de Jude. And na Jude ne ya ne no no. What I say? And I no na ya there no ndi so o papa you obi papa. And papa so and na so be you obi papa do obi papa be your papa. Sa na tie.
Me papa you obi papa.
Okay.
Me papa ayi obi ba.
Obi ba ha.
Entino eno na yeden e papa you obi ba na yeden o ka go sisen e kura ne sen
the kaka say Bible na account for
Bible ne kan o kire mu sen
say
e bia wo on say Bible no fa o ka quotation bia o nyina so ansa na bibi u gina bibi so na de e quote Bible
we me gina bibi so Bible na
etifi asem yeden
etifi asem no bia good news na o man fa etifi asem na we just phone Bible
quotation aba cause enano da o de nufunsuo ni ade ba e be kan ye na ade nyina ye ti ase ebe chiri mu antie ne no Abraham papa ne Jacob na wan ba ne
so be yan konsama ba onim say na ki Williams ebusuafo no
omo wo fa asefo ne Abraham no
Zuba be fine
na ki Williams so papa ana wan
azewo Zuba Zuba be fine ya ba normal first ne ohunhun ba ezi ya san ba Bible quotation na antiase wo still antiase ba so ba time re koyen fa no si o no say Bible a when say trokunkun na mistake dia o mu preach o mu okay the super dem dey see o but what is say na curious ebusuafo no esi a chiche mu achiche o maame na na adwen so mpese nkwala na ba besi akan ena papa no so ade atum se opese nkwala na besi akan ndiji a super de na ye aye twema mentwe sa
akwada no so se den
nkwala no so on beba besi akan esi se sen mame no ni me ochim ye na ma to no mye ya ana wo dabio
once your friend say
okay
abrofo no na say wo obro no kroma na mentality na different attention ni akọ emma no so nti I say bu maame eni ntia na mu odin kaka
yes
papa
no
that's ya say nti no we dey share I think say papa no e kwan obefa so ene maame na kasa enkora no so e kwan obefa so ne maame akasa is that so unim say Inaki Williams enyin or close to 30 years right
27
Inaki 27
say Inaki no
29 years 29 years
ba me ye
29 I be the two phone you there so
okay
and you know Inaki no enyin anonim say ocho the current Spanish national team now omo build a new team and on your part of that squad no ocho Abrante Saul ni go squad na say coach Danya Bimba of Spain so I say but omo de Saul Inaki any Fabian Ruiz ono wo as a Lazio and omo de onko bo under 21
yes under 21
Spain,
yes
under 20 omo yes omo do nyina beba
yes.
Now Fabian Ruiz benya na the senior side call up Abrante ni din ede Saul obenyaye Oyarzabal omo enya barono kwa de enyaye intention team say nya de a
Spain de
ana ne Pedri ne mo ne Gavi ne mo ne Ferran Torres mo ne Adama no mo so ayeden Ansu Fati mu yankwara mu to so a the national team no hia omo enti anya de omo mba be depend on Inaki enti ono hu ze anya de e be ebefa it to test a national team play and as a national team na so oba everyone guys I think say Inaki de abeba na ni nua no
okay
ni konu ni swa and I show ball no so ya de it's no anonso na asam no different but say oya so be follow ni nua na e betima akoya Kevin ni Jerome de ni bi
okay
Kevin by Jerome ama so
Matias
it is any any konu beti as oh baby am bra akui am bra pen ampa ona wabo am me bo Bilbao na ni me so abenya senior side bo Bilbao dia okay am so yanko na
follow the
yes e bia na ma me so be ka je say da bi papa ontumi family nu nyina nko fa ba akoko na me so ma mako e wo ho e bia Inaki nkobo Ghana na ni konso mo ma Spain na me so ma ko ma beto me ye
so I don't know mad na ayehu na mad na ayehu
ama na ayehu
na ayehu so bad na ayehu
papa e ba be dis anko mo
okay let me see okay but unim Kotokone has game no da binye 11 amli we e-ticket ene bawo ansha boko no star ibna wa yewe
ba say sim oyi omu wi awon sign print
yes all print
nyansa bi
nyansa nim sebe
ade na yenim set ticket ye printed dada na ya ton wo gate ana mo say ye move from paperless
electronics
enti no betuma to ticket no online with your Momo account ukwa now they show say matter online but then you so to we are sanko na ko print secreta na Fabra gate and that is F na NS na print ticket no on top paper no gate wo super fa o de
no ti o de yanko bat ma say si na go
fan some ba o your birthday wish
na bi sanka be ye ni wi na ba
fan some bra na birthday wish
okay o de yanko
e bet me dey search na
a chance say ni ba ko no ye nda so o
this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back.
I will say I'm for visa when you so media so information it family so Common Radio 97.12 channel live for Facebook oba comment like share maza mento comment na amamfo Sudan dey na no ne hwiboma ehon commerce no enye firi agreba chance here free Ghana Premier League na okopie mande one outstanding game hodmo a King Foysa Ethna Kumasi Baboya Sports Stadium no ne Brekum Chelsea area win time say no Ghana Premier League outstanding game week 21 a one more HSC bibia so no betumi akonkanya yeti ehon commerce so ede ba no mo ana that game no kopie ma Abrante did Frank Boat wono goalkeeper Erma King Foysa odin koma akadi aba say wiebenne ko wadi ko wala crème de la crème ozodi aswala pa nkrofo yi o metwom adi si om King Foysa team no aye blegoberego aye no skirmishes na years about no Frank Boate SN o mechi Brekum Chelsea ediomasem ediamomo
me player ne de minim de ekoso bize match bi e ku bia ne pese enya win by e ku wi na elusu it's a football nti meeting kan de dia say e ba jere ho na etima ku enim Brekum Chelsea number Thursday the match in the come all out any excuse bia say e be kasi bia e bodwa na say all out say be kona ya fa 3 points no all out.
And the Abuja winning Komakra, Abrante Atene Frank Boat, one way goalkeeper, Edema King Foysa, what you buy, Yadia Major, for Tiadua, minim so Tiadia, Tiania Panagacho, Team Neze, and they can Foysa for some Shamwedi, Zembokra, a home commerce no enya for the Agro Abrante Atene, at the Auto for Toy Shark, one Aje Penny to me dependence in Kratas with me as a 5 years the contract. Area ma Sporting CP. Zena oko Sporting CP no na omu youth side no. But for net na sidi sharp Branty and boy youth na. That be omu peso be ye yaza Tino and Bra. And a Branty J Peniel G2 ma. One also dependence in Kratas who home commerce no. And ya firago no your big akra head come out the Bible boni dia chire position obo say oko Sporting CP na. Hormon omo ka Portuguese kasa. Ti untimi kasa beka Portuguese blade abi. Emfa what the bro for some and your big akra.
Sporting Gistures. My name is Isaac Abdul Fattah. I'm very happy to be here and it's amazing. And it's good how they receive me, and I'm very happy to be here. I play right wing, and sometimes I play some attacking midfielder, and I like many things during a game, and especially shooting. I like shooting from afar, and I think it's something I like doing. There are many differences between how I was playing and here in Sporting, and I think I'm very happy to see these things, and actually it's going to help me grow more. I think here everybody is ready to help and keep you informed and develop you. So I think me being here, everyone was happy, and they try to tell me what I have to do and things I don't have to do here.
And I was winning Komakra, former Dream Chelsea, Stafford FC, player, Bronzer team, Eri Abdul Fattah Ishaku, what in common idea about Ribro Funesa, you know?
Ghana players, yeah, I'm never to in Ghana.
Zuba, was there? You will be what no. It me, Abwa, I'm out to be continue the centers that you want to frame, you know? So let's see, it's gonna do it. See, I was winning Komakra Baba. Yeah, the Emma's in it for James Akwesiapia Mayele, Gono, former Blasters head coach. Now, Penidin Komakra Basono, or GD Mapa. I said the Blasters of Ghana grouper, ye woman, Yane a Euro Grind, Sasso, and a Korea Republic, and a Copiema, Portugal. What did you say? Boys room and in Penifono, Mutinas, no, 1 or 2 be a Boa, Timno, a bit of Batono, dear. O Tidie as a snap yaba as a group no you better qualify film.
First of all, I think once you qualify to the World Cup, the intention should be it doesn't matter who I'm facing. You should take yourself to a level where you should know you are going to compete with high level players. And for that reason, for me, it's important we think about can we qualify from our group, and then what next? So if you look at what next, then it's going to be a bit harder than the group stages. And that's why it's important that you psych yourself to the level where you think it doesn't matter who you're playing. And for me, I think it's possible to qualify from our group.
And say, Abuja, where did Komakra, former Black Stars head coach, what do you buy? The Emma's in the team for no so Tidie at the snap yaba, Babo Kain, Ubi Babo Matuana Kakana, Babo Nessu, who was a wood, you know, Tidie to snap yaba. There be piano, a bit me yeah, Hong Kong no, and your Fidel Super Edicina, her name's Andra, Jordan Asia, His Excellency, another Don Kwakufado. Now, Usha President, now your big president, so Musia boat, Nanyama to my Biabefa, share, Obeti Blasters team, this Sina Betiso, I'm a presenting Jesse Sadema, President, Yepsa President, Yamiatum, group number, Ghana group, a woman, who did say bet me a kako ye Katra, away Kata.
How well do you think the Black Stars will perform once they get to Qatar?
I think they'll perform well. The new coach of Ghana has done a good job, especially in mobilizing some of the younger, if you like, unknown, quote, untried players, but clearly gifted and talented. And I think that these competitions, usually when you go there with people who are hungry to make a name for themselves, to prove themselves, you're probably in a good space.
And do you think they'll be spurred by the fact that in their group they've got Portugal, South Korea, and Uruguay? We all know the history between Ghana and Uruguay in 2010, when they almost made it to the semi-finals.
I have no doubt that it will be a motivating factor. They will all be very conscious of it, and hopefully reverse the results of the 2010 experience.
No. Yes, Oti President Nana Brofono, Eminim Dabi, I was and then come back Krabuaba. Yati Emma's in the for indeed, and no, Suba, Sule, Yamia Duma, Megadabi say, House no Kotoko game no, Abrantin Minyasho say, Obeboda game nibi, and Obebo, Waba, but maybe baby I'm said who say. Obey Yasabat
Obenra
Obenra
deal.
Okay, car deal. Okay. So to kind.
Italy.
Okay. Abua super no but super mama say Mrs. Felicia Yate. Ya mencha de erade dia fiba ko dia kanifion with this 60 years. 60. Mami, brutal pa. But ya say we efinemba Victoria, Josephine, Joshua, and Ichilo. Say Yenrishe ne mama Mrs. Felicia Yate. Happy birthday. And come as mommy, enjoy your day and free sinti Jiro mama me cake ati ase na munje yi mama me na mommy so fele and say yes enti anon komo eso eno no a yeti Emma Zenete na saso na okopie ma happy birthday and come Josephine Akame Zubati e pa mami o Josephine Akame hey we efi B Josephine Akame
ana akawo
Akame sa ni da me patcho ni din say name no we efi that be Akame nkwa Akame enkoma nkan that be Akame
Josephine or Josephine ana the din ya akawo
Akame me
akawo
me sa say
na
me so ya see happy birthday ankoma yes Rade ma kwatente na ne na wakoma so bia no Rade nyama ati ase na datomba be wo mo nya fefefe tse nchenam we efi Piaro papa ho na no damia ono no see friend B ti ano komo eso ezuba ezuba
no damia na always say abaya
hey so na o da bi me de me so ntana see B no ti ezuba mavesi na ne aka na ntua so
B no nim na edi kan sana B na ba
I'm saying them that what he wrote here was B ti B super obe pass mama me ti no super say bibia nse de news ana asa
so the way we into the writer and I want to nka so den nsema ba no crowd ya santo wa senior on duty and afin so no coffee coach nso ha na ye di nkomo na afin so no ye hu ne ekobara ye be hwe na yetimi akoko apma na ya nkwara na issue na ba no yetimi akopinchire mu afi ho ze nra nipa bonofo bi kwoto hye nkwara no so ne ade on ye town boys in fanisa ne ade ntia kan bi ama ni games no we no komo twam stop games no match mu tie be kona akopinchire mu enso dey free UEFA Champions League and matches etodwa na Europa ebetodwa acha na agbowure mo classico no o cha efiada na enso etumi rena je se ya hwe se weekend ye betena se na etumi arapia ni ama na akosi ada so ye dey update about ya won tutu nyina ye senior on duty wa ko bia sante wa senior mama wa kwa ba
wege
bibia fine
nyame adu bibia kama ya de tiefu ina sibia kama say Rade amade achi de na say first level no ya kan eke nyame ayibi
nyame ayibi ampa 1 2 coach
minia
bibia fine
bibia fine pa
na ai nkwada na nsam na mpesa nke ewura wansa na abehwe Champions League no so the womunye production na ye nhwe se nsabe kan
enkwada na asemo no ege enra Amsterdam wo Oguaman junction so na mu se wo de continue second obi achi a wo gwa wo no ne wo gwa wo no e wo junction wo na mebusa won na den na ekwaso no sa wo fi Kufodua won wo fi Kufodua won se zone so ne wo bo enti no nkurunkuru ni na ba wole bo Kufodua na me se wan wo fi Kufodua no sa yo class ko be bi na wan frɛ won krofu se wole bro ho no enti no nkofu bi je won enti won mra no won be ko enti no boys na wo ha no mu na se wakwa kyere nkrofu no enti wa kyere boy ba ko yo wom na se wo discipline to one ko police station tina wo twene na ko police station wo kwama junction won enti a wa fi Kufodua ba se kan hye no nko wo wodu junction so no se kan wo se no wo kitikiti na wo yi na afiketu afi ne jacket no hye nim nti ma boys no kuma ba pa se je se nwa frɛ wa nti je wona te once wo fi na boys no so wo park no so na once wo nim won once wo frɛ won se nkofo bele ba bro nti once wo nhia won once wo be hia wo na wo kan wo junction no so nti min na park no so de min won nti min se ye boys no ba da boys na akyere boy no fi Kufodua no because na car what the buy na your van na esi command junction wo nti mate driver no atwe ne ho fi boys boy na wa kyere no nti okwa mi say na woni si driver no gina wo na pan so na driver no gina wa atwe ne ho ya opeso no be gure mu na wa be say ne kan boys no le ko say car nti oni one nti na ma boys nja no wa san to aso ni ko police station nti minimu ni a atu aso esi wo police station wo ege
okay nti ne be shona right am ansaka information bi a and also fasa issue no but senior you should know UEFA Champions League well team Chelsea amfa
amfa we say enra no na atmosphere no we say eke na nya de kura because we share the approach of the game kura eke amwa Chelsea because we share si say niama ekoso wo Chelsea camp no eke anu yedin efa sana Wallington team no coach ni problem owo and sana players na ngasa kwasendra wo hwe Edu Mande kura other ponu kura ahwe nim kura won say no on feel comfortable e oponim ena wo hwe ndra sana meka no approach a what they call match ni mu na eke enye fa because wo hwe na yenim say ade a na yewo problem we say wins no because yenim say Visual Junior e obi a ugwan pa enti na say coach say we approach Visual Junior on fa crisis in kojina no so because you only say pace na all the tackles are born on the wish and goes no watching na remember for no say no Chelsea wing na right back one man and I say right one man ye weak the way the ball bia no what we am Visual Junior also speed obekwaja Christensen enti wish and how you empower because na Real Madrid for no 4 midfielders Valverde Toni Kroos and Casemiro and say what they Modric abeka and I Chelsea for no 2 pair Kante and Kovacic enti we hwe ball na ye ball na we beje ball na one drop aba mi free and I say ball le ko Madrid for so Casemiro ko ka defenders na ho na wa ye 5 and e ba 5 enti onya ko kan pe na Valverde aba begina Casemiro afan ho na ba holding me free wa be 2 enti ma na mi free na Chelsea so ne ma nya say nra ball no o hwa na Christensen wo ball Pulisic wo ball no but na nra no off na ball no ball na no off because o hwa dum ni bi na Habit catches no Brian Fifty because when I say pull back na beje ball na but I say de bia no akoka left wing go no gina wo no ma odi onko no ntia ma vivo because na nko be kan Fifty no ba be 4-4 but ntia bia no wa aka achi ntia na ma Madrid midfielders na nya holding wonya upper hand na ntia na how na go hwe second half ye ba no coach no say no approach no ko ni wo hwe tam coach ni oyi Christian so ma we mu ko bo achi ama James Square chi a but we do we hwa ball san dan nti yes a goal na Mendy the chair na ege and ka second half be but that time goal ni ba na boys na ebu wa because the view and as if ko body fit dressing room ba ya sa goal ni ba mu no ege na we say nrad na ni am we ne and we say ball no so lack kan because we ndra sepsa kwato aye ya ege ndra na Madrid fu ni day because boss we say nkasa boss we dey a share we but bu na kwato ayi we say day because yen won last season no match bi goals bi e was enkeche sa similar goals yi bi na Benzema head bi obo ni na Mendy timi yi sa bo ni na but ko do say na see den na we say ball ne bakura ase ne ho popo nti we say ne e kwaso wo Chelsea camp no e fa ne to ni na ye psychology ni na e adwuma wo boys because they ball a won freezing won aka won tua won ka won ni na aka weke nti ama boys ne ball no ball no won say wo ball dey all right today but their mentality no eke problem wo problem wo
Villarreal Bayern quick one na men kokro bia o
Villarreal we ball no ball eke o juna baka se bia wo mo hwe but edu Champions League won ball ni change o hwe ne wo ball Spain na hwe ne wo ball Champions League difference bebele wum ana o hwe na Emery a se na we grooming boys na eke won ball a very difficult say won akwan na wo ball na apese wo ball because we should born wo boy na we say Bayern feeling very difficult say 18 wo be shegu because na boys na grapes say see ya she one na yentimente wo ye nje bi nkan ye ma wonte enti born be yedu no semi final na say quarter final yedu eke enye si abra yo bi anyi wo ya afra because we should born na na say so awe go nya adwuma enti say wo ba ofia na say wo ba fie na wan wan hye mo na so a hye wan go kan wa mo ho ban na wo te kwa eke bi aso hye timi ba because they no aye 1-0 okona so hye na na wo boy extra na wo api enti dey na menyere me ho na me nje go okona me timi kwa hye wan go kura wa na o hye me 2 a me dey be 2-2 ya wo boy extra time no enti ru say enna match no boy no wo yade pa because all Lewandowski na gina ma wa chance no nya de ma akwana wa hye we na yade eki because yan expect one sa say we timi ahodu Bayern aru won abo first half na wa hye goal no petanko wa hye goal ekura ma de ko ball 90 minutes ni na wie eke kudos to the na Emery boys no wo yade say wo timi hodu Bayern.
Okay, I know senior duty the day they are back quick one Kobia yeah but my prediction there I can't have it to score and they said them yeah man for discuss no pay WhatsApp to me so okay afa nya WhatsApp no anya WhatsApp na alert no na hu hia Kobia yenhwe game no what do you think, say, Coach Thomas Tuchel and Yeni Emma tactically? Yama been one Yeni Emma Chelsea any other defeat, no?
Mema obi bi o Chelsea fan a o tie dwumedi no mema na abonto yem say onto no boase bibia ansay and I don't know why I say unim say Endra surprise results e buy no e VAR no buy Munich.
Yes, say tena ka say surprise beba sa game no. Yes.
And obi be bisa say den I say Madrid a Chelsea na aye he bi ti say adibia. Yes, I say BBC, but I didn't Niama yes and say a history to Madridistas. Any one more year anti-Chelsea no say on best celebrity because we need team me say on earth as I see so on earth football by team being in Madrid about 5 competitive games European matches Madrid in win back okrada me say there is any club apart from Chelsea into going into this game no now I say Chelsea na all the rings so be to me overcome Real Madrid and then now my game no history be say be different see but aside no enkoda no it's then the most successful club in the competition a year ball abeshe Chelsea having won the trophy twice and now being the defending champions they make noise
Krabia mama continue come we free on yemeto so yenko Okwapman anase yenko omanso na ene Mr. Samuel Amoa ano na awo part of organizers ani no omode Okwapman not municipal sports competition no I share so no and also a part of the organizers na yimbisa no de tene no omatimi a stop games no e wo Kwapman say awia mo akwa ban fan ro come 97.1 so
yo me jo so e chawo no wetie fo nya
ya tie fo je so ene nya ntia say sports amoye e wo Kwapman municipal sports competitions no ene no mojai no kre
no kre bia nim sa in fact enra and I say anka ye hwe say ke de bibia beba na wie but enso no and a disturb ye kaka it's because of that me we all the activities I say you know it's egusu a ye em saka about 2 or 3 games we na say the bibia ba na wie it's say jai dia na enso no na enye bibia sa
na enkra ye saka and is enrada ohwe sukufo ni bia omo ye games bi on say bi mo da school mo ni ade yete say nkofo bi koto hye omo so ntokwa bi ni ade eno so no atisen
in fact enra no and ball na oguso ball na say onem say ball mo de penchen kakra bi on bat na said anya ade bia serious and you remember na yete say boys maybe everybody camp or no more say but to me I'm quite because not all the executives were around and they will make sure that we put things in order and the Bia answered that
and kwada no nyina ye
kwada bia went mo fa ne crowd the time so all cast the visa see and let say omo nyina crowd da omo nyina da executives now around and I who say my boys this are around but when I share and to me I need be abofabia went
na incident no course na wo ho anaso bi na be bo mu
Efa park na so na de who say I'm the referee one of the kicks and Emma by na nyina ho and oba your friends they camp once the ankasa ye hwe man kwala ni nyina de dai bibia etini ankasa na around
okay atias entino ene no mo be wie games na ene anaichina
nyame aduma ene aka all the final games are being played right now entino definitely be wie bibia
okay
so na ye bo nyame mpa ise o men wo sro kakra bi mai but in about an hour or 2 time there we'll bring everything to a close. Yes.
Okay. Na me producer Achimaju akoso no bisa say now ka referee na sem say ko yeah we be na. The important referee yeah.
Oh, one of those free kicks he told him say a handball like it was a handball, but it was at the offside of the referee in terms of one said there. It's only one but so referee it was an offside of it's a
handball.
It's a handball exactly. It's a foul now. But I said that it should be this annual man ever.
Okay, but then no moko and then movie games no she say anything say award ceremony be because so manya players ni be na modi omo echo the next stage of mo she say mo and I feel so no the important am ye dey man koda no and adwumadi ni ko na wie ye.
Yo, and then yedika ye better your sponsors ayenya wo mu nyina ase. His Royal Majesty Osiadeyo Kwesi Ekufu the third. Senior bread trophies, ahoro, and our son bread medals, and other things are Yedebe, Emma and Kalana, and I said about and Kalana Basso. So Macedo Ghana Limited, almost so Omoya Cabo, any idea who you almost so and Ra. Probably grace occasion, but because of the weather, no, into the Korean person, we went to and almost almost size books and all the other souvenirs are on the buy, and also your Fanka and Kalana awards, no. Na yemfa emma any other corporate organizations to say nyamensa any Coastal Ice nomne adia omobaya omuso ya sinkaka nyama omde baya omde beja nyina ye boabo ni kaka ne dia tar certificates any trophies ni adia omde aba ne dia 30 na ye dia mo anoperience yo wana ekwapim rural bank so omuso omobaya no abedonate a set of jersey now some their my nti sani ama nyina ho a ye de ba beta enoma ye de ba be mamo fra no eti
oh okay now you say na she ni nyina ye kama
say ni nyina ye kama
okay ai in terms of players no kwara no say na me bisa no em say for search kakra ai must sport one or two talents bi o ma mo form na municipal assembly man kasa ma grumi omo na fe so mo tumi di o ma call bi be say region national na ade.
Yeah, exactly. I'm say the main aim of this competition is to select a formidable force to represent Ekwapim North Municipal. If you say we are selecting the players as well as the athletes. And in fact, any are able to me SC Ekwapim name well competition bi a yebeko ama yenso sebe any member nyam kakra. Na near etene regional festival no entekra everybody so first week, second week in May yeguso ye entoto yebo nyame mpa say what the host Ebema Ekwapim North Municipal, and we are working on it, and we are making sure that we are bringing those festivals for Ekwapim. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and we are planning that to be a host and win. Yes.
Wow. And dabena mo be say say mo dabena mo move to the next stage. Say region say
Yes, it's a regional blocks. Now I don't know about first week in May. Yeah, okay. This week, the whole region, the whole eastern region, they have to move 4 because this place is the municipal and also. Into you have to move 4 blocks. Into zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, and we happen to be in zone 1. Almost 8 districts and municipals. Ayakambum. It's Yellow Krobo, Manya Krobo, Okre, Ekwapim North, Ekwapim South, Saum Adwejiri. Omunyina ka enkofa aye no mba besi aka no. First week of May. Yeah.
No, mo ya wa mu ba yo Ekwapim na say mo kwa ya other district.
So say I can say ya start here your adwuma. Yeah. Where all the 8 districts and municipal no obia per se OJC ni so. na Okwapman so ye boy ho modern biara emze baby aya yi ba pra akwakodu no ye bo nyame mpai egosi next week na ye bo nyame mpai so de be ma ye ne ye hosti wa ase you know to say an almost say we should come with our facilities you know say we be inspect facilities na ye wa no na say okay then they will give it to us you know ye bo nyame mpai enche bia
na nke no na mi bisa se mo akade na mbotimi dia izan se na no joada mo sha se me ba ho na o hwe mo pitch na nkasa mo bobo na nchada nkoyi o hwe track amutu America wo so nchada nchayi nzanka mi bisa se akade no ho ana ebenu so na mabo am ho awie
oh yo I'm the o hwe Okwapman Park ya standard just say openisi ni ade ama park no so dry kaka and after so say na near here sponsorship bebre and in fact sports na juma was sports mo pa sabe sports na say only your friends can na say only one can there Emma sports na here and the construction of the lanes now you to America wo no na ade no a little problem but at least we're able to manage so that we'll get something able to me I represented what we are looking for but as I say I know the senior ni panel ban what also pa at least every district and as a municipal be a ban omu enye nipa kran say enye nipa be 130 from all the districts it's nipa area ban just say kika 1000 nessa and they say ye go so can one say benya dreams there stadium therefore Okwapman ye be fa Megis na Coronation Park Mampong we are inspecting all those places enu next week na aye no won be kwa aye no won be kasa na e bon price on ba be hwe no won ani beje hu na wode amaye ne ye hosti
oh okay na yes mu hwe ni se ni ama be ko ne kwa no na afis mo tuma gia hosti yenya e bon price na ai municipal no so no am ba be no mo ye de abo mo na at the district the municipal assembly yes at the no mo ye de abo mo na afis mo tuma gi sa hosting right.
Yo, I'm a question I will be serving the pa. Nyaya organizing your board municipal na man the municipal assembly, your board man here. Was say about over the Taiti. Na eguso aye show ngenim yenim se obeba. Sene ebinum aba sabri yenim se won so eden asabri onam kwanso awoba. Na nyaya pese ye host to se sia so dey. Ebe broad consultation because we put the emphasis on from other places. In terms of we need adequate preparation near to me hosting. One mama idea. You best will be all corporate organizations, individuals. Obia you ban now to be a best say Oberboy and Kaka na yet to me a host tonight and Unyam Abre Okwapman.
Obi beka say na monkwan kura no municipal assembly ya mwa na mo ba be yi na o ba be boa onye ni say assembly no ebesi usu anke ya ma nka be boa anka oba dada
yo esa na me kai me say ade no competition enya wie cry em say na me kai no just about 30 minutes ago when I Ekwapim Rural Bank for buy no obey one donation and so once it has not gone in there you go so bomb pie say say MCTA omo ka ho nyina ati aye nim say e ba be closing ceremony wo nyina wo ba be 30 na ne ho no wo dia mai
okay mi jaw mo akwai and some no do so but every nti mi jaw mo akwai nsembe na abaka che watifo
yo ne abaka che watifo nyina say da won ase say especially parents no so wo boy na yetume nkwala nyina eba one umbrella say in fact enye easy obi o na so ne bakra ba bobola o say na mo nko okwa ebesia de agya no mo ne ade but hopefully this time we nya some problems ne bebre ama yen competition na fair pa eti e beda ofu na say in fact e beda His Royal Majesty o say ade yo kwesi Ekufu the third ono so better na sepa because he didn't proposal ekoto na enim no ono man no catch is in fact Okwapehene is into sports and education into obeboy It's why say all our trophies, the MBBA, idea obesum na wayama. In fact, audio sense so yo. Wama adena FFF pa. Obi oba bedu Okwapman Park so be say this event has been a colorful one, and this is the first time that they are experiencing this. Eti yeda wonga sepa san yeda cowbell for and obia all the sponsors wobaya wobeboa yeda wonga say. I think this is the first time yet me organize bibia yenya individuals and corporate organizations are omatumi aba beso yenga say. Yeda wonga say dey can say bimrabium say ebasa yetumi hosti your friends the zonal block no Eastern region yetumi hosto a yebe san ba wona so biom na yenim say nya woyɛ yɛ no wɔbɛyɛ ama ayɛfɛ na de ne nyam so abrɛ Okwapman yɛda wɔn nyinaa ase.
Yes so da ase na obi say ayi ebi mbra biom yɛ ba na mama nkoda no so ahu so na mo de support nkoda no ebi wa ba bi a minim de district bi a minim omo yɛ ba ne say na teacher for na chafa say mo de ntesa me de me ogide omumu
em say sani awore kan anka many be just say a closing ceremony a present gifts ne ade amamofan anka e represent ka mo mu binom kampo betumi ababa witness na mo hwɛ niam ye de mamofan no
ye beba ye sori so pe beba
ba pepe ade na ye de mamofan no niam a wo de ma in fact no o hwa Commercial Ghana Limited cowbell for ombesi one stand kakaka e wa ha say na wo ye say abofra bi o wa ha bia one product no Obama ni bia no mo ngama ni bi di akofie no mo ne ade and they started insunu na ese ne kakra and we yes okay and niama aka no obegya ne de amamofra no eti no so yeguso a oba ye ha say ya pack it bebre eti mo mra na mo hwe mo bo say a very colorful event
mate ye beba ye sorry super na
senior yes to mo no municipal sports executives they are all young guys. And then we are also into sports. And then we are making sure that everything that we do will promote sports. Into the NFC and the BOB also Pakose baby nominee Debbie. One guy's among the moment and moment, send a presentation for their baby in Alpha. Send a bear and Webby or baby so most of the Atua now and conform to me about no about the boy.
Yeah, dear, ya family and I also do BBC and I also one na ya no one can to about no na just say basi be nkum dware ni fa na ni fa so dware be nkum na just say bibia ai kama ntino ya beba so personally ma be hu na ya nhihye na ya di nkomo ai
yo ya da masen so pa okuman enso ye fremo mo so mo ni ye hwamo emze ebra ye start say ye fiase no ye hu mo ha opening ceremony you did it colorfully. It's here that one and your friends are closing a year, so we are expecting that you also come. So when you come, then Bibia will be an echo a next week in by next week. It's make a lobby, not in zonal a ina. And also you have a banyan or man for Baba Bobo, young parent, young Bibia, you have a Baba Tuga, send a bear, will be answered when one Baba Tayane. Yet I must be.
Yes, that say ne oni edi nkomo entino Mr. Samuel Amwa ono part of the organizers and in Ekwapim and as a municipal Ekwapim of municipal sports competition you know omutimi dia body nchirima base mentimi ati ba ku mienu dia by na nwu no mu gina omna so eso anu ankofa oye ne bia so no entimi amba entino eberiko but ebe PRO en o me na Ekwapim Icons Football Academy Ekwapim Icons Football Academy aba me say ni no ye ba be sports talent ni develop talent e wo ye kropon entina PRO bre na no da mi abra na be chirim na enye ya ono PRO de ma eye Ekwapim Icons Football Academy ono so ba na o be chire mu se na ahyehyɛ no so etie ana mi bibia kama na ye Ekwapim Icons Football Academy say no ahyehyɛ ne say
yes senior ye kanu eguso ekoso aye develop talent ewo ekopon eni Ekwapim at large aye se wo ward bi wo fie ana wonua bi akwala bi ote wo nchen na wo hwe na se owo football passion ewo nimu simple Kofi Kojipo wa ha enti enye se obo no nko a se bi a otumichi ana meboa otumichi ball no hwe talent bi e fa football yeah talent bi a fa football ho de se ye kan ye nkrofo se ye kobo no nko a da bi bibia e fa football ho ye gather talent no na ya nature na afi aboa okuapeman say ye na nka ye kwa akobo yi na ye bo okuapem for ma ibidin wo mu anka ni nyina ebeti yanim enti no sa na ye ka ne sa no say under 17 ni na wo ba beto form sa 30 Ghana cedis na afi o the passport pictures too aka ho o de kan ho sa no wi a ye be se wo beto wa ha sei na wo mfa form ni nkofie dia na fa obi bra na wo ne mbra na chese ombo a na mo fele forms no under 14 insu 20 Ghana cedis enti no sa ena eko Kofi Coach di bibi kan
ho so PRO ya PRO
na maka no say bi ana yes enti no sa wo ba okuma front desk pacho obusa ebetumi abeka forms ni bi ye wa ha time bia Monday to Friday unsa betumi akabi enti no
okay enti no PRO adema akuapem Icons Football Academy na no damia na motene kan cheche ni nsemu ni ade a say goalkeeper so kan ane bo goalkeeper kan goalkeeper kan wa boy yeye enti no no be executive producer Sierra Kofi Anton ba for Sansona ene no head of sports Nana Kofi Okorajiman anonso no yenda na se na finso no yenda DJ Zigebi Krobia Asante writer commentator Sansona Kofi Coach senior on duty enso no wotenenka seni nso ordinary musem eba ye efia yin was more fire Sansona Kwabna Majesty on Facebook or say solid one oba pagina papa bi or say more fire enko enfama Kofi Ajman Black Man or say good afternoon watching you live inside Pig Farm or Accra no so the messenger and also what to me Eddie Abba Golden Boy GH or the Abba or some more fire and so enka enfama mona odi man kan dey dem say as well say or say good afternoon stop AK please let's still sag the boys no matter what outcome we shouldn't put a blame to anyone. Things are really affecting the team as we all know. AK no shaky, we shall fight to the top 4. Blue is the color. Richard inside Noasu City. Oduma so say Chelsea for mama be mumu be ye achia ne mu ye say abebu nyina. Nti ono so etumi dia ye adwuma medin Kelvin Amponse di obetimi afreme e Kenya me pechna e be say hia na fin so no ye di nkomo. Muchumka.
Haya haya haya. Haya haya haya. You know what it is. Haya haya haya. Haya haya haya. Red one. Haya haya haya. Haya haya haya. Davido. Haya haya haya. Haya haya haya. I wanna walk on every street. I wanna fall out with the world at my feet. Hit every discotheque and ask it for me, yeah. I wanna party 8 days a week. I promise you now. Everything gonna work out. Every tomorrow, no matter what go down. I promise you now. Gonna be sticking around. Every tomorrow, no matter what go down. You know we're better together. Don't wanna wait forever. You know we're better together. The time is now or never. You know we're better together. Don't wanna wait forever. You know we're better together. The time is now or never. Haya, haya, haya. Haya, haya, haya. I can be up and down, but what can you do? We navigate through all the rough and the smooth. Yeah, we got that rock and roll, that rhythm and blues. Yeah, I'm never blue if I